Do your fences look like this? Or maybe your walls look like this? Well, you've come to the right place because that is boring. Boring, I tell you. Boring. But me right here, non-suspicious person with a mustache, can help redesign. You hear that? I'll help you. And we are back. And I have a mustache. Yay. What I actually noticed in the last video thingamabob, whatever it's called, I never added the frame to the door, and I don't actually remember what it looks like. Hold on. Okay, I'm back and I have the stuff. So the frame to the door was not, the door wasn't there. So it was, it was like this, just to have that feel of a nice little door frame. I don't know why I'm doing the accent now, but we going with it. So yeah, it matches this part of the build, the whatever it's called, but to be honest, it doesn't really match the rest of it since this is all dark oak and this is spruce. Actually, what's this? That's spruce too, but it matches that color because dark oak is more muted. Look at me using fancy words. It's because I got a fancy mustache. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is creating fences and walls. Yeah, so we're going to start off over here, and basically what I wanted to do in this corner of the square is make like a farm area, I guess. So I suppose instead of just doing a simple fence around it or anything, like instead of just going, yes, circle, circle. Also, I don't know, my video settings have changed, so with my audio settings, thank you, Orange Blocky. Like, actually thank you, and also sarcastic thank you, because I don't know what it's going to be like now. I haven't tested it. Okay, ignore the set time to 1000 because it is now daytime, yay. So I've got mud brick wall, and dark oak leaves. And you look really sad. What I was thinking of doing, so what we're gonna do, so this is gonna be like 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna be weird, we're gonna go diagonal immediately. 1, 2, 3, okay. That, and then we want to go this, this, because this is like a classic way you see people design things. You will see like the gaps of 3. It's very common, so we're sticking with the commonness, because then that's annoying me. Okay. Hold on. Otherwise that's going to bug me forever. Okay, there we go. So yes, we're going to start out with this layout. This whole part will be a farm, and yes, there will be a gate. I might actually make it here because that's a nice line straight. Okay, so what we're going to do is this. And it makes no sense yet, but it will soon. I have no plan. So now we will add the dark oak leaves onto the rest of them, and brick walls onto the rest of them, because I forgot this side. So this is nothing right now, kind of looks like something you'd see in a park. I also forgot to grab a trapdoor because I wanted to do possibly something like this. So obviously it'll look a bit odd at the moment, but you'll possibly see what I mean soon. And now what we want to do is add this. Okay, that's going to look a bit weird because it's on the diagonal. Okay, you might notice there are many cuts. I am currently like dying because I have a trapped nerve, and it's really painful and it hurts. Muchly. Oh, I forgot I need to keep that there. Is muchly a word? Because I use it a lot. Very muchly. Yeah, this wall might end up being stupid. I literally have no plan. This is improv, I guess. Improv Impossible. Go check that out on 4 of a Kind, which I'm part of. Whoa. How do I do these? I didn't plan this bit. Uh-oh. Why'd I make a diagonal? Bruh. Why'd I do that? If we do this, actually. Ooh, wait. Ooh, yeah, I like that bit. Hold on. Okay, so if I was to do this, bam, 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 boom. I like doing this kind of thing. I don't know why. The gate being up in the middle is like a very liked thing with me. I could do that, or I could do this, and then this to match it up. Okay, and now we do this, because I also forgot to grab these. No, yeah, that don't go there, do they? That just looks weird now. We haven't done that side yet, but it's okay. We'll do that in a minute. Actually, you know what? Magic. Ready, 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 boom! And whoa, look at that! We've suddenly got a wall. Magic, ain't it? I can do magic. I am magic. It's my mustache, magic mustache. What we're gonna do is add these and question our life choices and if this is good. Unless I did this and then this and then this and then this and then this. Okay, I quite like this, but it would need to have this here and oh. Am I adding these? Sure. Ooh, they ain't the same way. It's not good. Ooh, voice work. And then if we had this here, we can do this, and then this, and then question our life decisions because they are not the same direction as the rest of them. Okay, we're normal. What's normal? Who's weird? See, look, we can make things look nice and pretty. Now, yes, this is going to look a little bit odd because I can't design walls for the life of me. Do not come at me for anything. Right, that's going to have to go above there, ain't it? Oh. If that's just going to look weird, what is that? Unless I do this. I could do that, that'll do. It's also accessible, if you notice, and you can also go up and over, so it's accessible through, so you technically won't need a gate, but it looks nicer with a gate. Because, well, every farm needs a gate, am I right? Okay. Okay, and as you can see, that is fence gate wall 1 done. Why are you being like that? Why are you like that? Why? No, because that just looks weird. Okay, well, we've accidentally changed it because, well, that the fences just look a bit weird. So, yeah. Okay, that don't look half bad. But, yeah, you can design it however you want, basically. And I'm noticing something looks very slightly odd. Okay, there we go. And suddenly it's going to look the same from the other angle, but we're going to ignore it. But yeah, you can design this however you want, but this is just an idea I randomly came up with literally just now while I was recording. I haven't actually planned any of the walls or fences I'm doing. Okay, so obviously this will be a farm area, so that will be in an upcoming video in tutorial, probably in about 2 months, maybe. The next video will be another episode of my hardcore series, Stranded. And I haven't logged on since. And if I remember correctly, I logged off in the Nether. So I might only have 2 episodes. But if you want to go check that out, it's probably linked somewhere. Otherwise, it's on my channel. Anyway, moving on. While you're here, you should like subscribe if you like my content, because I'm at 38 subscribers. I think I'm at 38 subscribers. I don't know, I went from like 37 to 36 to 37 to 38, I think, or something. But yeah, this is this. Yep. Oh wait, hold on, I can do a magic trick. Hold on, ready? I'm gonna make it look more even. Ready, magic. Oh no, because that's gonna, okay, that's gonna bug me. It's okay. It's okay. You can't tell from down here. There we go. Now it looks a bit more even. I don't really like it. Oh, of course I don't. Yeah, I like it this way. Now it's kind of bugging me because that's not... Okay. I'm okay. Don't look at my feet. Oh yeah, would you guys like a behind the scenes on my build tutorials? because I have so much recording and it's quite funny. Because you'll see me either stressing out because I can't get a line right or messing up my words about 7 million times before forgetting what I was supposed to say. It's quite funny, honestly. Like earlier I was like dying in pain. I could show that. That's quite funny. I was talking and suddenly I was just like, ow, I'm dying, hold on. Okay, so that is fence wall 1, fence wall fall, no, whence, that is whence 1. Is whence a word? I hope not. Because I say words without knowing what they mean. But yes, oh my god, it kind of looks like a guy. Hey, do you like my mustache? Speaking of mustaches, do you like my mustache? Do you like my mustache? Do you? Also, I just realised it is... And now it's not nighttime, and I'm in pain. Ow! Okay, and I have changed it to nighttime. No, wait, no, I've changed it to daytime. God. We have fence 1, fence wall 1. Beck just started streaming and it scared the out of me. We're gonna do magical transition where I casually go across this wall and then suddenly there's a fence going from there to here. Dun dun dun. Ready? Ready? Go. Hey, this is me from the future. I don't have the footage for when I built this. Well, I have the footage for building part of it, but there's no transition. I remember doing it, but the footage is gone, so I think I might have accidentally stopped recording or never unpaused my recording. So yeah, I will see if I can find some footage. But yeah, just my luck. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video. Do 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 da 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 do da da do. I don't know what I'm doing. Do da da do do do. I need to stop singing this because it is copyrighted, and now I am stuck in this tune. YMCA. I'm gonna shut up now because I'm gay. That makes no sense, but it's okay. And I don't know why I'm still singing. Okay, and we are back, and guess what? A magical wall has appeared, and I will show you the building of it now. So what I have included here is some stone, andesite, stone bricks, cracked stone bricks, mossy stone bricks, and mossy cobble with cobble. So that's a lot of blocks, as you can tell. What I have done here as well is I have made like this arch of a light. What I also did, if it's shown in the bit of a time lapse, I also did this to start off with, but I'm gonna stick with the stairs because it looks more curved and I like it. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue this wall at some point and probably make it a little bit better, maybe add some stuff to the top. Like, I don't know, we want to do this, make a little bit of a castle kind of thing. Oh my god, that works perfectly. What? What? It's an even gap between. Hold on. I must do this correctly. Hold on, I have gotten so distracted. No, you can stay like that. Wow. I'm happy. Yeah, these are all the blocks you will need to do this, and this will also kind of be like an archway, I guess, if you have a bunch in a row. This build includes, it's not really a build, this fence wall thing includes mud bricks, mud brick walls, dark oak leaves, spruce slabs, spruce trapdoors, and spruce gates. That is all for today. I have now finished. If there is anything else you would like to see, like I'm doing some path design soon, maybe some more walls, some more fences. If there's any certain blocks or colours you want me to attribute, if there's any sort of blocks or colors you want me to put into a certain design, then please let me know. You can let me know in my Discord. I have a suggestion channel, I think. But yeah, join my Discord. It will be in the comments because I don't have the power to put it in the description. And I will see you in my next video, which will be hardcore. And I logged out in hardcore in the nether, didn't I? Yeah, I'm gonna die. Goodbye. Au revoir. Adios. How do you say bye in other languages? See ya.